Tough question. What made me go into retail? I think the biggest factor that pulled me to retail was the high energy involved with retail. I mean, it's a very fast industry. You have to be on the toenails to survive. My vision for retail in India, I think this is the beginning of the best things yet to come. I think it's the tip of the iceberg what you can see, because below the iceberg is the real mass. I think what BPO is today, what software was yesterday, retail is going to be tomorrow. Pain points, or should you call them labor pain points? Every time you deliver, it gives you hell, and that's the best part of retail. And the only way to beat this long gestation period is to scale up really fast. You need to zoom at 6,000 kilometers per hour. That's the only way to beat the gestation period. The turning points in my business, I think when we recognized on the horizon that the fashion industry in India is going to be the next big thing. We saw the fulcrum of fashion shifting from Europe to India, and we decided to go for it. I think that decision really changed a lot of things for us. Pull back in time, I would accelerate. I would go faster than I did. I would leave all caution to winds. These critical points, everybody will tell you, consistency, focus, these are common for everybody. My third very important point is, if you have to win, you have to swim against the tide. When we conceived the idea of launching Kimaya, and we approached all the designers that this is our format and this is what we need to do, they all threw us out. All the designers poo-pooed us and said, listen, chill, you guys are not from the industry, you don't know how this works, you have no idea, and because this industry never existed in this country. So we were kind of thrown out of their offices various times. That really helped us. We went back to the drawing board and we said, now we will not treat it as a business, we will treat it as a science. We actually put together a huge, strong merchandising, 18-member merchandising team and a fashion forecasting team. And we went back to our designers, giving them the lookbooks, the themes, the mood boards, and the price ranges. And we gave them the whole, for this store, for this clientele, this is exactly what we want. We want your creativity channelized. We want this so and so. We gave them a proper roadmap. That really made them sit back and say, hey, maybe I'm dealing with professionals and not just frivolous business people. So that made a lot of difference. That really helped us. It chalked out our business plan. It tightened the business plan. It made us go towards a goal, which is the horizon.